Let's find the rotational inertia of a paper towel tube, or, a toilet paper tube or anything like that. So we need to specify our stuff. So I'm going to say that we have a paper towel tube of inner radius R1 and outer radius R2, where the inner radius is R1 and the outer radius is R2, and the total mass is just called M. So what we want to do is treat this as a series of shells. So where each shell has a radius of R and a thickness of dr and a mass of dm. Because we know for that shell, the rotational inertia of that little shell would just be dm times r squared, because it's basically a shell, all of which is at the same distance. And the question is, what is dm? Well, dm would be the density times a little bit of volume. Here we're going to have to assume that the tube or whatever has some thickness, which I'm going to call capital L. So imagine we go back here like this, and we say there's some length in the tube that it looks, length L. It will turn out that both rho and L we'll get rid of in terms of better variables later, but for now, they're kind of nice little bit of variables. So the volume of this thing, which will also have, of course, the same length, L, we would have rho times the little element of volume, which is the circumference, 2 pi r, times the thickness of the ring, dr, times the length of the tube, L. So we get that dm is rho times that. And then, of course, that allows us to go back and say, well, then di is rho 2 pi r drl times r squared, or 2 pi rho L r cubed dr. Why do we want to do that? Because the total inertia is just going to be the sum of all the little inertias. So it's going to be the sum going from the inner radius R1 to the outer radius R2 of 2 pi rho L r cubed dr, which is 2 pi times rho L. Those are all constant, don't depend on where we are in the tube. We integrate from R1 to R2, r cubed dr. The constants, of course, just come along for the ride, and we have the integral of r cubed dr, which is just r to the 4th over 4, from our inner radius to our outer radius. And then grinding all of that together, we would have 1/2 pi rho L times r2 to the 4th minus r1 to the 4th. And that looks incredibly not fun, because we have this guy lying around who we don't have, and we have this guy lying around who we don't have, and then we've got these really not fun to the 4ths. So we're going to try and find a way of getting rid of those, and we'll do that by going and finding what the density actually is. Remember that the definition of density is rho is the mass over the volume, and the volume here now would be the volume of the outer guy, which is pi r squared times L. That's the volume of a cylinder of radius L. And then we're going to subtract pi r1 square times length, which would be the volume of the inner guy. And so we get something like, if we do a little bit of grouping here, m over pi L, and then 1 over r2 square minus r1 square, which allows us to go back and say, well, I, which remember was 1/2 pi times rho times L, times the difference of the 4th powers of the radii, which is crazy. We can now put in here and say, oh, but we're going to change this to being m over pi L times 1 over the difference of their squares times pi times L times the difference of their 4ths. And then some cancellation happens. That's nice. The pi's go away, the L's go away, and then, warming the heart of Algebra 1 teachers everywhere, we recognize that r squared, r2 to the fourth minus r1 to the fourth is the difference of perfect squares. So we have 1/2 m out here. On the bottom, we still have the r2 square minus r1 square. That's from the density. But on the top, we can write this as r2 squared plus r1 square times r2 square minus r1 square. So that's taking this guy and doing something like a square minus b square is a minus b, or a plus b times a minus b. And we've put that here. After all of that, we end up getting that the rotational inertia of the paper tube, or at least of the roll of paper, is 1/2 m times r1 square plus r2 square, which is a useful result that will simplify some calculations for stuff we do.